we would like to present you 10 Disney princesses. This is Aurora. She has long blonde hair and blue eyes. She is smiling. She is wearing a pink dress, a necklace, and a crown. This is Jasmine. She has brown eyes and long black hair. She is wearing blue top and trousers and pink coat. In the corner, we can see her tiger friend. She is also wearing bracelets and earrings. This is Rapunzel. She has very long blonde hair and green eyes. She is wearing a purple pink dress. She is holding a flower. This is Snow White. She has short dark hair and brown eyes. She is wearing red hair ribbon and a blue top with yellow skirt. She also has yellow shoes. This is Cinderella. She has blonde hair and blue eyes. She is wearing blue hair ribbon and beautiful blue dress. Her shoes are also blue. This is Pocahontas. She has brown eyes and long, dark, straight hair. She has dark skin. She is wearing a blue necklace and brown dress. She also has a tattoo. This is Bella. She has long brown hair and brown eyes. She is wearing a gold dress and gloves. She is holding a rose. This is Ariel. She is a mermaid. She has long red hair and blue eyes. She is wearing a purple bikini top made of shells. Her tail is green. This is Tiana. She has black hair and brown eyes. She is wearing a light green dress and gloves. She is also wearing a diadem. This is Tinkerbell. She has wings because she is a fairy. She has blonde hair and blue eyes. She is wearing a short green dress. And that's it. Thank you for watching.